everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile and charming elements you can add to your outdoor space, the wooden garden shed. It's more than just a place to store your lawnmower and tools. It's an opportunity to add beauty, function, and personality to your garden. So what exactly is a wooden garden shed? At its core, it's a small standalone structure, typically made from wood designed for outdoor use. But its meaning is far greater. It can be a practical storage solution, a cozy hideaway, a dedicated hobby space, or even an extension of your home's living area. The warmth, durability, and natural aesthetic of wood make it the perfect material for a structure that blends seamlessly with the natural beauty of your garden. The benefits of having a wooden garden shed are immense. First and foremost, it provides much-needed storage, helping you keep your yard organized and clutter-free. Tools, garden furniture, seasonal decorations all have a dedicated home. But beyond practicality, a wooden shed can become a personal sanctuary. Imagine a quiet space for your hobbies, a creative studio, or a tranquil reading nook, all just steps from your back door. It adds valuable square footage without the cost and complexity of a home extension. Furthermore, a well-designed wooden shed can significantly increase your property's value and curb appeal, acting as a stunning focal point that enhances your entire landscape. Now, how do you transform a simple shed into a beautiful garden feature? The key is to treat it like a mini house. Start with the exterior. A fresh coat of paint or stain can completely change its look. Think classic white for a cottage feel, a vibrant green for a pop of color, or a deep gray for a modern, sophisticated look. Add window boxes filled with colorful flowers to bring a touch of life and charm. Consider a small patio or deck extension at the entrance, creating a welcoming transition from the garden to the shed. Don't forget lighting. String lights, solar-powered lanterns, or even a classic outdoor sconce can make the space usable and magical in the evening. Inside, a little organization goes a long way. Shelving, pegboards, and clever storage solutions can turn a chaotic space into a functional and inviting one. Finally, personalize it with decor that reflects your style, whether it's a vintage sign, an old rocking chair, or a cozy rug. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best wooden garden shed design ideas to spark your creativity. One, the rustic woodland hideaway. This inviting shed, with its rich, natural wood siding and elegant corbels, feels like a true escape. The rustic charm is enhanced by the beautiful hanging planters filled with vibrant flowers and the cobblestone patio leading to the entrance. It's a perfect example of how a shed can be a decorative focal point and a functional space all at once, ideal for a garden lounge or a cozy she shed. 2, the modern art studio. With its clean lines, large double doors, and expansive windows, this shed is designed to be a bright and airy creative space. The natural wood of the doors and the light-colored siding create a serene aesthetic. Nestled in a lush garden, this design is perfect for an artist's studio, a quiet office, or a peaceful reading nook, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. 3, the two-door workshop. Simple, solid, and functional, this wooden shed design is built for heavy-duty use. The wide double doors with their decorative iron hinges provide easy access for large equipment. The rich wood paneling gives it a strong, natural look, and the adjacent flagstone patio creates a perfect outdoor seating area, blending storage with the relaxing outdoor living space. 4, the charming hexagonal shed. This unique hexagonal shed stands out with its multifaceted design and striking cedar siding. The dark, shingled roof and decorative light fixtures give it a quaint, almost fairy tale-like quality. Its compact footprint makes it a great choice for smaller yards where a conventional rectangular shed might not fit, providing an elegant solution for storage or a charming potting shed. 5, the functional gardener's hub. Built for practicality, this shed offers a combination of solid wood walls for storage and a series of high windows to flood the interior with light. The wide, inviting entrance allows for easy access with large tools like a wheelbarrow. Inside, a workbench and shelving are visible, showcasing its purpose as an organized workshop for all your gardening and DIY projects. 6. The traditional farmhouse shed. This classic shed design exudes farmhouse style with its simple gabled roof, natural wood support beams, and a small covered porch. The light-colored siding and white trim create a clean and crisp look. The welcoming wooden deck and a well-placed window invite you to step inside. This design is versatile and can serve as a gardening shed, a tool storage space, or a delightful children's playhouse. 7. The slanted roof greenhouse. This striking lean-to style greenhouse features a beautiful wooden frame and a fully glass roof that is perfect for capturing sunlight. It's designed to be a dedicated space for growing, with a raised bed visible right outside the entrance. The solid wood door provides secure access to the main storage area, creating a highly practical and visually appealing space for gardening enthusiasts. 8. The rustic greenhouse and shed combo. Combining the best of both worlds, this structure integrates a classic wooden shed with a full-fledged greenhouse. The glass panels on the front and roof create an ideal environment for nurturing plants and seedlings. The natural wood framing adds a rustic touch, making it a beautiful and highly functional space for avid gardeners to grow plants and store supplies. 9. The modern green shed. This vibrant shed makes a bold statement with its bright green siding and contrasting dark doors and shutters. The design is modern yet whimsical, fitting seamlessly into a lush, colorful garden. The large double doors provide ample access, and the small window and flower box add a charming touch. It's a perfect option for a workshop or storage shed with a personality. 10. The classic cottage retreat. This charming design features a traditional gabled roof and lovely details like decorative shutters and window boxes. The combination of a soft gray siding and light trim gives it a sophisticated, timeless appeal, while the cupola adds a touch of classic elegance. This shed is perfectly suited as a stylish garden storage solution or a cozy backyard studio. We hope these incredible designs have sparked your imagination and shown you the true potential of a wooden garden shed. Whether you're looking for a simple storage solution or a beautiful retreat, a wooden shed is a fantastic investment that adds charm, value, and functionality to your outdoor sanctuary. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Garden Decor Designs, for more tips and inspiration to help you create the garden of your dreams. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!